So if you're finding you have some really tough stains on your stove for cleaning, this handheld steam cleaner has been wonderful for us. And thank you for the brand for gifting it. So what we've found is that this has a capacity of about 350 milliliters. They only want you to fill it up to 250 because obviously water expands when it's heated up. And has 9 different attachments that go with it, including some of the filling cups and stuff like that. But so when you have some deep stains, as you can probably see here on my stove, it does take a little bit more time to clean stuff like that. But what I've found is that with this steam cleaner, which does have like a locking mechanism too, so it's not like you can just get, your kids can come over and press it and then it gets sprayed on someone. It's a locking mechanism that does protect it. But the steam actually gives the ability to heat up the surface quicker, like the debris that's on the surface, and will actually release it from that surface. So if you can see here where it's actually a little bit of grime and kind of food and whatever else is left here, you basically just open this up and this will steam that right away. So you can see it does give a constant pressure. It takes about 2.5 minutes to heat, but certainly will assist you in cleaning off all of the debris and stuff as you're going through your cleaning. Can be used basically anywhere. The reservoir, once the water's out, you won't get any more pressure in there, but the reservoir takes about 2.5 minutes to heat. Does give about I'd probably say about an 8-foot extension cord that gives you the ability to kind of move around and clean toilets and clean some of the other areas of the home. So this was a great investment for our home and something that we're going to use into the future for cleaning these tough to clean spots in our house.